Hi, I hope you guys are keeping well and welcome back after your summer break. And I believe everyone must have enjoyed their bit with limited uh, outings that we can think of. So today I'm just taking the first class, and before we go, go to the next topic, I would just like to talk about a couple of things that we did earlier before we closed our online classes for the summer break. We did a couple of formats, and I'm just going to reiterate. So we have done paragraph writing, article writing, email writing, story writing, and things like that. And the other thing that um, which does come in the formats is, and it basically actually eats up quite a certain amount of percentage in your marks as far as your English exams are concerned, which is speaking skills. So when we are talking about speaking skills, the reason why I encourage children to talk when they are sitting at in the class, or even when you are asked to upload videos where you are talking for a minute or two, and when I give you a particular topic, these things are going to help you to uh, to um, to enhance your skills as far as speaking skills are concerned. We are looking at the overall development of you as a student, and this does comprise in that. So speaking skills is something that, particularly when we are in the class, in a normal academic class, if you remember, we do used to have these group discussions where we used to take a topic given from the chapter, and then the whole class used to be split up into groups, and then used to talk about it. What we can do now when we are at home is that we can still practice, because it is one of the parameters. And not only, even if I'm not talking about parameters, I think it is necessary to talk, particularly when we are taking English as a language. So what you can do is that this is an activity, is that you can make these placards, small cards, and you can just put it in front of you. Put all those cards in front of you. Let's say 10 cards with different topics, and then just keep it upside down, and then take out, just pull out any one of these placards, and take a minute to prepare about it, and then start talking about it. This will help you to get a hang and experience to talk instantly. We there is no uh, time for preparedness, except for a minute or two. So just keep a time for yourself, and that will help you. These kind of topics does help you to enhance your propness. That means because you do not have a very long time, so you are thinking very fast, and then helps that your brain is thinking, and then your brain is processing, your brain is preparing, as in how to start and things like that. And that is where the rule of writing and speaking comes, which I have mentioned earlier also: introduction, body, and conclusion. So these are the main PowerPoints. So whenever you are writing or you're speaking, you have to mention like that. Say, for example, if I'm standing here today and if I'm asking you to talk about Coca-Cola. So Coca-Cola is a beverage, and I don't think there's anyone, any human being, on this earth, who does not know what Coca-Cola is. So what do people do is that they'll stand. If I'll say, okay, fine, talk about Coca-Cola. So you'll stand here, and then you'll say, Coca-Cola is a beverage. Coca-Cola is very refreshing. I love Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola comes from the Coca-Cola company. They manufacture other beverages also, but I think amongst all the other beverages that this company produces, Coca-Cola is the most widely um, consumed beverage in India. So Coca-Cola is brown in color, Coca-Cola this, Coca-Cola that. You keep on talking about Coca-Cola. What happens when you are continuously talking about Coca-Cola, Coca-Cola, you're repeating the topic, it becomes very monotonous, very boring. The listeners, if someone is listening to you, or even if you are just trying to remember whatever you said, it doesn't just fit in, it doesn't sound very, very appealing. So what you do is that remember this for the rest of your life. This is a tree. Yeah? I hope you can see that. Sorry for my beautiful drawing. So this is a tree, and you have these branches, and this is a stump or the trunk of the tree. What do you do? What is this? What is the general understanding of this tree? The base or the trunk of the tree is which is giving support or life to all the branches and the leaves and the fruits and the tree in whole. I hope you agree with me. So this, I'm just trying to correlate this tree with whatever you are going to talk and speak and write for the rest of your life. As far as the medium of language is English, whatever you're writing, remember this. So this is the tree, and this is giving you the support. Yeah. So this is the body of the topic. Yeah. And but for the body, what you need to do, you need to give introduction. So these are the whatever you can have leaves, you can have a fruit or whatever. You can just have dry twigs around. So what is this doing? This is giving life. The life of the tree is given by the stump, and then stump is giving, when it's giving life and when it's giving proper nutrition, it is bringing out all the beautiful flowers and fruits. So the body of a topic is the trunk, and what you do along with that, and because everything is correlated, you have to build branches around the body. Basically, what I'm trying to say is that if there's a topic called Coca-Cola, you are not revolving around Coca-Cola, but you are correlating other stories related to Coca-Cola, related to the topic, related to the body. Understand? If you find it difficult, just put it as topic. Let's say, for example, if I'm again repeating, so Coca-Cola is a favorite beverage in Indian society, and it is widely consumed by children and adults of all people of all age. That reminds me of one of the incidents, one of the stories about what happened at my birthday party. So we had ordered a lot of beverages, and my father, by mistake, he bought 4 cartons of Coca-Cola, and thinking that he has purchased different varieties or types of beverages. So when we opened the carton, everyone was drinking Coca-Cola, and we were so surprised because we were thinking that maybe people will not like one single choice of beverage, but everybody loved, and in the end, at the end of the birthday party, we realized that we have finished 4 cartons of Coca-Cola as a beverage in my party. So, such is the popularity of Coca-Cola. What did I do? I have not gone off the topic. I'm still talking about Coca-Cola, but I'm building up branches with Coca-Cola. I'm correlating the same topic and making stories, so that it is giving me time to talk. You cannot talk about Coca-Cola for too long. Do you understand? So what you have to do is that, and you cannot talk about any topic instead. Why? Keeping in mind, because you have to talk about that topic instantly. 1 minute is like, you're still in a state of shock because you're thinking, what is this? Why am I talking about Coca-Cola? What if I give you a topic if I tell you to talk about Harpic as a toilet cleaner? What are you going to say? Harpic is a toilet cleaner. My mother uses Harpic. Harpic this, Harpic that. Oh, that reminds me. of this incident, or you can give an example, or you can give someone else's story. You know, try to build out branches, because that is going to give you time to think. And when the thinking process starts, that when you know what your brain does is that you think and then you talk. So you have enough time to think, and then when you're thinking, then you're processing it, and then you're talking, and at the back of the mind the story is continuing. This is what happens, and this is what I want you to do when speaking skills is concerned. We are going to have a spontaneous test on Google Meet, and don't think it as a test. You know, don't take things as a medium to pass or fail. Try to sink it in, try to understand so that you can remember it for the rest of your lives. Couple of topics that I will give you, and no, I won't give you any topics. I will play the same game. You will make 10 placards, and you will tell your father or mother to make these topics. I trust you, and I hope that you can just be honest with that, and let it be a surprise. Let your mom or dad, make these placards. Keep it upside down and sit there and choose any one of the placards. Make a video and please upload it in Google Classroom by next Monday. And then you'll get 1 minute. Make sure that you are thinking about that topic for 1 minute. It can be anything: Maggie, Adidas, God knows, Parle G, anything that you can think of. Not very very big very very difficult topics, but manageable topics. And then just think about it for 1 minute. Take your time. Show me that you're thinking and you're processing, and then start talking about it for 2 minutes and upload it on Google Classroom. So these are called spontaneous speaking skills exercise. Okay.